In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Google Sheets. Fast and easy. If you've ever found yourself working with dates in Google Sheets, you know that sometimes the default format isn't quite what you're looking for. Maybe you prefer to see the date listed as day, month, year, or perhaps you're working with an international team and you need a format that's universally understood. Whatever your reason, customizing the date format in Google Sheets is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you step by step. First off, fire up Google Sheets and open the document you want to work on. Once your sheet is open and you're ready to make changes, the next thing you want to do is select the cell or range of cells that contain the dates you're wishing to format. This can be a single cell if you're working with just one date, or an entire column if you want all of them changed at once. Selecting a range is just a matter of clicking and dragging your mouse across the desired cells. With your desired range highlighted, look towards the top menu bar and click on Format. This menu is where you can tweak how your numbers, text, and yes dates appear on the sheet. Hover your cursor over the number option in the drop-down menu. You'll notice a whole roster of categories pop up to the right, with date being one of them. But what if none of these preset formats suit your needs? That's where Custom Date and Time comes into play. Click on it, and a dialog box will appear, presenting a myriad of format options. Carefully browse through them and pick the one that matches your specific needs by simply clicking on it. Customizing dates in this way allows you to display them exactly the way you prefer, making your data much more comprehensible and easy to work with at a glance. After you've selected your desired format, click on Apply to implement the changes across your selected cells. You should now see the dates updated across your sheet in the new format. This transformation is instantaneous and can greatly improve the clarity and efficiency of your work. The final detail you'll want to attend to is adjusting the column width to ensure that your newly formatted dates are fully visible. To do this, just position your cursor over the border between column letters until it turns into a resize arrow. Then click and drag it to adjust accordingly. That should ensure all your data looks neat and professional. And there you have it. With these quick steps, you'll find it easy to tweak date formats in Google Sheets to suit your exact needs. Thank you for following along, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on optimizing your spreadsheets.